We're gonna begin squatting down a little bit and just thumb out side to side. Thumb out. Arms out. Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. One more, arms down. Arms up. Deep inhale and deep exhale. And with big circles going down, big to mommy, wide, wide. And let's switch to the other opposite direction. Remember, do not move your torso. Just focus on the hips and thighs, only lower back. Complete isolation. And begin to control the body. And one last one. Good. Come back, inhale. Exhale. And we're going to bend down now and go a little faster. Smaller circle, more like wharapu. Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. And to switch directions. Arms up. Arms out. Arms up. Okay, come back to center, breathe in. And exhale. We're going to do a double bump here. Double bump to obviously each side. So let's just begin. Double, 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 double. Arms out. Arms up. Arms out. Arms up. Deep inhale. And let's prepare our knees and hips because we're going to be going down. And let's do the other side. Good, let's stretch it back. And the other leg. Good, now let's squat all the way down. And just hold it here, just hold here. Arms out. And up. Breathe in.